Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll walk you how to back up your Gmail account in under 5 minutes. It's a smart way to protect your important emails and ensure you have a copy just in case anything unexpected happens. So first, sign into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to the main settings area for your Google services. On the left-hand sidebar, click Data and Privacy. This section controls everything related to your stored information. Now, scroll down until you find Download your data. Click that to begin the backup process. On the next screen, you'll see a list of Google services. To make it simple, go to the top and click Deselect All. Then scroll down and check only the box next to Mail. This ensures we are backing up Gmail only. Once selected, scroll down and click Next Step. Here, choose how often you want this backup. You can select Export once for a one-time download or every 2 months for a year if you want regular backups. Next, pick the file type. Zip is the easiest to open on most computers. Then choose your preferred file size. Smaller sizes helps split large backups into easier parts. Finally, click Create Export. Google will now start packaging your data depending on how many mails or emails you have. This may take a while. Once it's ready, Google will send you a download link via email. Just click and save, and your Gmail backup is complete. Remember, schedule your Gmail backup once every few months to keep your digital life safe and always within reach. And guys, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.